Welcome. Welcome, dear student, in Pharmaceutical 1 Practicals. Myself, Darshana Sandeep Shinde, and our today's practical session is on Introduction to the Aromatic Waters. In this session, we see the theory regarding and practicals regarding the aromatic waters. First of all, we see the theory regarding aromatic waters. Learning outcomes of our today's session. After watching this video, students should be able to understand, to develop intellectual skills, to understand the concept of solubility, to develop the motor skills, skill for weighing, measurement of volume for different aromatic waters, skill for clarification and filtration. All these skills should be developed in the student after watching this video. First of all, we see the theory regarding the aromatic waters. Aromatic waters are the clear aqueous solutions saturated with the volatile oils, that is rose oil, peppermint oil, or other aromatic or volatile substances. Example of its camphor. Their odor, taste are those of the drugs or volatile substance from which they are prepared. These are known as the aromatic waters. Aromatic waters are basically volatile, made from the volatile substances. Aromatic waters may be used for perfuming, flavoring, or special purpose. Example of it aromatic water is, first we see the camphor water. Camphor water has been used as the vehicle in the ophthalmic solutions owing to its ability to contribute the refreshing, stimulating effect to the preparations. These are the camphor waters, mainly for the ophthalmic solutions use, and these are the refreshing ones, stimulating effect give to the preparation. And the next one example is hamamelis water, or it is also known as the witch hazel. It is employed as a rub, perfume, and as an astringent in various cosmetic preparations, particularly aftershave lotions. In this it is used. These are all about the aromatic waters. These are introductory part. Then next we see the what are the aromatic waters. Aromatic waters are mainly of two types: simple aromatic waters and the concentrated aromatic waters. Then methods of aromatic water preparations are mainly three methods: a distillation method, solution method, and alternative solution methods. First of all, we see the distillation method. The distillation method involves the pressing of the coarsely ground odoriferous proportion of the plant or the drug from which aromatic water is to be prepared in a suitable still with the sufficient purified water. In this distillation method, we place the ground or a coarsely grounded or orifice portion of the plant or the drug into the suitable container, and in this we put the little bit of water. Most of the volume of water is then distilled, and then the excess of oil collected with the distillate rise to the top of the aqueous product and are removed. The distillate is collected at the top of the product because this distillate or this product we are getting from the volatile substances, because they are in a volatile nature, so they are rise to the top of the aqueous product because they are light in weight. Volatile products are light in weight than the water. Then remaining aqueous solutions saturated with the volatile matter required clarification by the filtration. This one is the distillation assembly. In this this is the distillation flask, this is the flame, chamber, and this is a thermometer for measuring the temperature, and this one is the condenser. In this condenser there is a two water outlet. First one is the cooling water outlet, and this is the cooling water inlet. From this inlet we have to put or pair the cool water in this condenser, and this is the water outlet. From this this tube, the fumes of the our product or fumes of this our distillate is when going from this chamber, these two water outlet inlet and outlet can cool these vapors, and these cooled vapors are collected into the distillate or a specific beaker. In this way distillation process can be carried out. Then next method is the solution method. Aromatic water is prepared by the intermediately shaking 2 ml of if liquid or 2 gram if a solid of the volatile substance with the 1000 ml of purified water in a suitable container for a period of 15 minutes. This is the solution method. In this simple one method, there are two solutions added and simple shaking is there. If the period of agitation, the mixture is set aside for the 12 hours or long to permit the excess of oil and the solid substance to be settled. Without further agitation, the mixture is passed through a wetted filter paper and purified water, added as needed to be the bring to volume of the filtrate up to the prescribed quantity. In this way, solution method, in the solution method there is a two solutions should be added and agitated it and place it for the 12 hours or longer period, and if there is a need they should be filtered out. Then third method is the alternative solution method, and this is by this method the volatile oil or suitably communicated aromatic solid is thoroughly incorporated with the 15 gram of the talc, and to this mixture is added 1000 ml of the purified water. The resulting slurry is thoroughly agitated several times for a period of 30 minutes and then filter. This is the alternative solution method. In this this is also in this solutions are mixed together, but there is some talc like agents should be incorporated for proper mixing or absorbing the excess of oil. This one is the alternative solution method. This is the theory behind the aromatic water, and we nextly move towards the laboratory for the further experiments. Before entering to the laboratory, we have to know about the preparation of concentrated aromatic, how we are prepared the aromatic waters in a concentrated forms. These products are alcoholic non-aqueous preparation containing 2% of the volatile oils. They are 40 times stronger than the ordinary aromatic waters. Many volatile oils contain the aromatic part and non-aromatic part. The aromatic portion is much more suitable in a weak alcohol than a non-aromatic portion. Hence, when a solution of the oil in a 90% alcohol is diluted with the limited amount of water, the aromatic portion of oil remain in the soil will be non-aromatic portion is precipitated off or separating as a oily layer. Therefore, 50 grams of 50 grams of talc is added for the 1000 ml of the preparation, which act as a distributing agent. Talc, here the role of the talc is a distributing agent and will absorb the non-aromatic part. The solution is agitated and set aside for a few hours and then filtrated. Storage conditions for the concentrated aromatic water are: aromatic waters deteriorate with the time. This one is the fact we should be kept in the mind. It should be made in a small quantities and protected from the intense light, excessive heat, stored in a airtight and light resistance container. Okay, this is the how we made the preparation of concentrated aromatic water. Then next we move to the laboratory, and there we see our experiment numbers.
Welcome dear student in a pharmaceutics first laboratory, and today we see the experiment number 4. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare, evaluate and submit 100 ml of camphor water IP by simple solution method. In this by simple solution method, that means we have to add our ingredient and our vehicle and mix them thoroughly. In this we have this is the one of the type of the aromatic water. Today we see an aromatic water can be prepared by the two methods, simple aromatic methods and concentrated aromatic. By concentrated aromatic method, that is from this we made the concentrated aromatic waters that we discussed already. For camphor water IP, we have required the chemicals, camphor water or camphor powder, then purified water, and apparatus required are measuring cylinders, pipette, tracker stand, volumeter, beaker, and if our preparation have any particulate matter to filter it. For our camphor water preparation, we have to prepare formulation table. Formulation table consists of ingredients, quantity given, quantity taken, then use of ingredient. For preparation of camphor water, we have required the ingredients. These ingredients are camphor, alcohol 90% and purified water. Camphor is 1 gram for 1000 ml of the preparation, the quantity which is mentioned in the Indian Pharmacopoeia. Then alcohol 90%, that we require 2 ml. Then purified water, that is QS2 1000 ml. That quantity is already mentioned in the Indian Pharmacopoeia. But we prepare the 100 ml of the camphor water. For that we have to firstly prepare the factor. Factor can be calculated by the formula. Factor is equal to quantity required upon quantity given. Our quantity required is 100 ml, that we have to prepare 100 ml of camphor water, and quantity given, which is given in our Indian Pharmacopoeia, that is the 1000 ml, and our factor is 0.1. By this factor we have to multiply with our quantity given for the 1000 ml. By this we get the quantity for 100 ml of camphor water, that is camphor 0.01 gram, alcohol 0.02 ml, and purified water, that is the quantity sufficient to 100 ml. Use of the ingredients: camphor as a carminative or under pharmaceutical aids, the alcohol as a co-solvent, and purified water as a vehicle. Then we next move towards the stepwise procedure how to prepare the camphor water. For this purpose, for the preparation of camphor is a stepwise procedure. While moving to the stepwise procedure, we have to take us in mind some points of the camphor. Camphor is soluble in 1 in 700,000 part of the water, and the strength of camphor is 1 in 10,000, that of near to saturation. Camphor is very soluble in alcohol than in the water, and therefore it is prepared by dissolving the camphor in the alcohol and adding solution in a small portion. Let's move to the stepwise procedure. Firstly, weigh the required quantity of camphor. We already weighed the camphor, that is we have required 0.01 gram of a camphor. Then this is our this is our alcohol, and this is our purified water. For the preparation, we have to take the beaker. In that beaker, we have to take our required quantity of camphor. In that, we have to add the required quantity of alcohol, that is our test also confirm. By this way, we confirm all the tests and we confirm the observation and evaluation table. That is, evaluation is one of the part of our title. After observation and evaluation, the next step of our experiment, that is the leveling of the formulation. Leveling, this is the specific copy of our level that we have prepared for the level of camphor water. Firstly, we have to cover the name of our preparation, that is camphor water, and quantity 100 ml. Then each 100 ml contain, you have to mention each 100 ml contain or each 10 ml contain. Here we mention the each 100 ml contain. That's camphor 0.01 gram, alcohol 90% 0.02 ml. In the label, we have to mention if your solution contain the alcohol, we should mention in a separate box. If the solution contain alcohol content or solution have the alcohol in its ingredients, we should mention in a separate box one. That's why we easily identify the alcohol containing drug. After that, purified water QS2 100 ml. Then dose of our preparation is 15 to 30 ml. Then category of our preparation is pharmaceutical aid and as a carbonative. Then storage condition, it should be stored airtight container. Though it have the camphor which is volatile in nature, so it should be stored in airtight container. And these are the some manufacturing license number, batch number, manufacturing date numbers, then expiry date, MFG price. All these specifications are regarding the preparation of the preparation. And last is contain the manufacturer name or manufactured by whom. That is manufactured by college name or student's college name. And if we label, by labeling, you should keep in mind, you have to take the bond paper which is of appropriate size, not too much of big or not too much of small one. And this is the specimen copy we already labeled, we already prepared. This is our solution. We have to stick the solution in a bottle in an appropriate manner, and in this way we prepare the solution and label our solution. After observation, labeling, we move towards the result. Our result should be mentioned as 100 ml of camphor water IP. Preparation is submitted in clear, air-tight container. In this session, we cover how to prepare the formulation table, then stepwise procedure of camphor water, how to prepare the camphor water, then observation and evaluation table, how to maintain it, how to fulfill it, what kind of the test we have to require to perform, then labeling specimens or labeling formulations, how should we label our final preparations. Thank you very much for watching this video.